Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Pfizer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Pfizer, start by setting up a brokerage account. Research different brokers to find one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a broker, complete the registration process. This usually requires providing personal information and verifying your identity. After your account is set up, fund it with the amount you wish to invest. You can transfer money from your bank account or use other funding options provided by your broker. Next, conduct research on Pfizer to understand its financial health and market position. Look at recent news, financial reports, and analyst ratings. After gathering your information, log into your brokerage account. Search for Pfizer's stock ticker symbol, which is PFE. Once you've located the stock, click on the option to buy shares. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget. Choose the type of order you want to place, either a market order or a limit order. A market order will buy shares at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Confirm your purchase details and review them carefully. Once everything is set, execute the trade. After your order is filled, you can monitor your investment through your brokerage account. Keep track of Pfizer's performance and stay informed about relevant market developments. Consider setting a plan for when to sell or take profits based on your investment goals. Regularly review your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.